Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1997 Subaru Sambar van. This Sambar has a water-cooled Subaru 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. It comes with 77,298 miles. It does come with 4 doors. The front it has 2 front doors, 2 rear sliding doors, and 1 rear hatch as well. All right, as y'all can see, sorry about the high-pitched noise. The door was open. As y'all can see, this vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. 124,408, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 77,298. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of you guys. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.